Here are 9 facts about ChatGPT that you need to know as a non-techie. Number 1. ChatGPT is a chatbot that can have text-based conversations with the user and generate an impressive range of content upon a user's request. The GPT in its name stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. It was developed by a San Francisco-based artificial intelligence research lab called OpenAI. Number 2. ChatGPT isn't the first chatbot to exist. Many tech companies like Microsoft and some large university departments have developed chatbots as capable as ChatGPT. Then the question would come up, what's so special about this one? ChatGPT was released for public use, unlike most other chatbots before it that released limited versions or did not release their technology for public use. Number 3. As cool as it is to think that the results from ChatGPT is from a computer's thoughts, it is not. ChatGPT uses programs written by humans to mine human content and human data. This is then verified and arranged in order of priority by humans. So it is safe to say that it contains human errors, biases, and inferences. The data it operates upon is gotten from various sources like textbooks, articles, websites, and even entries from other users. Number 4. ChatGPT needs the skill of the user to produce the best results. Just like in the use of search engines like Google, a user's search words will determine the outcome of a search. ChatGPT needs skillful user input to produce maximum effect. This has given rise to a new skill called prompt engineering, which is the art of knowing which words produce what results. Number 5. ChatGPT can perform a wide range of text-based tasks like translations from one language to another, answering questions given to it by users, writing summaries, prose, drama, fiction, and surprisingly, even writing software code. Its capabilities can be seen in professions like real estate, computer programming, and even medicine. It has been used in the creation of other chatbots and for customer service and virtual assistants. In fact, it is safe to say that many professionals will become totally dependent on AI tools like ChatGPT. Despite the widespread praises it has received, there are also fears and criticisms being faced by ChatGPT. These fears include the use of ChatGPT to create fake news and social media posts, enabling students to cheat, and using it for unethical practices like plagiarism and social engineering. Number 7. ChatGPT has a basic version that is entirely free for users. Recently though, ChatGPT announced a new version, sort of a premium version, that will be paid. They've called it the ChatGPT Plus. For now, one can only join the waitlist as it's not readily available to the public. As with premium versions of apps, the ChatGPT Plus would provide faster responses and prioritized access to new features. Number 8. OpenAI has not released an official app version of the chatbot, although there are many fake versions in various app stores. So you would want to look out for those and not download them. For now, ChatGPT is accessed through a web page. Number 9. To use the chatbot, one has to register for an account either through a Google or Microsoft login or by entering any other kind of email manually. A phone number is also requested because you will need a confirmation number which will be sent to your mobile number to complete the process. After going through the terms and conditions and other stuff, which most of us don't do actually, the registration process is successful. These are the 9 facts you need to know about ChatGPT as a non-techie.